Okay, dear students, we are in integration 7th chapter and we have finished 7.2 exercise in the last class. Okay, see, we will start 7.3 exercise in this class. 7.3 concept is integration by trigonometrical identities. Okay, you see, before going to 7.3 exercise, we will see what are trigonometrical identities. Already we have learned these trigonometrical identities in trigonometry, but once again we will what we can say, refresh those. Okay, without going to more details, we will refresh those trigonometrical identities and we will write, note down. I am going to rub and again we will go for 7.3 exercise. Okay, with the trigonometrical identities we are going to do this entire exercise, 7.3 exercise. Okay, first identity I am writing like this. You see, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This we know very well. Sin square theta plus cos square theta as per Pythagoras theorem. Okay. See, with this I also can write, you see, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. And also cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta under root. Is it okay? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. This we know very well. Okay. Now you see another thing. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. You see, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Okay. With this directly one more formula I can write. Tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 under root. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 under root. Okay. This also we can take as identity. Okay. Another one, cot square theta plus 1. Cosecant square theta. Okay. Then also we can write cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 under root. This is also one identity like we can take. Okay. Okay. See, now we will go for double angle. Sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Or sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Like that also we can write. Okay, a or theta both are same. Okay, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. What about cos 2a? See, this is only one, but here three are there. Cos 2a is equal to, you see, cos square a minus sin square a. This is one. Okay. Another one, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. This is one. Okay. Then third one is also there, you see. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. See, for sin, only sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. But cos 2a, cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a. This much are there. We are not going for details how it has come and all. This already we have done in trigonometry. Why? Because unless you recapture this again, then we are not able to do 7.3 exercise. That is why I am writing again, once again. Okay. Now you see, based on these three formula, again one we can write like this. You see, cos square a is equal to 1 minus 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay, here cos square a is there. You see, 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay. And another thing, you see what I am writing. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay. You see here, See this sine square, if it comes here plus, it is going to become, and 1 minus cos 2a divided by this 2 is going to come denominator. Okay. Now logic is here, you see, plus comes cos square, minus comes sine square, 2a comes a, 2a comes a. If here is 2a, here is 4a, here is a, here is a by 2. Okay. This is logic. Okay. See, this is about sine 2a, cos 2a. Okay. What about tan 2a? Why? Because with tan 2a again one more cos 2a, one more sine 2a will come. You see what I am writing. Tan 2a, if you remember, then sine 2a, cos 2a also you can remember. You see what I am writing. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. That is the logic there. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. See, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. Okay. Tan 2a, if you remember this, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, you can remember sin 2a, cos 2a also in terms of tan. In terms of tan, this is, here no tan is there, you see. Sin, cos, cos, sin. Okay. Here also cos, sin, cos. Here tan in terms of tan only. Sin, cos also in terms of tan only we will write. You see what I am writing. Sin 2a is equal to, you see, two tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. This is sine, and cos I am writing, you see, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. How it has come, you see, tan 2a we know sin 2a by cos 2a. Sin 2a by cos 2a, if you make automatically denominators are same, going to get cancelled. 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. This is the logic here. Okay. You note down some more identities we will see. Okay. Okay. Addition of angles also we will see. Sin of a plus b. You see what I am writing. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So logic also you have to observe. Sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. First a sin will come because of sin a, cos b, cos sin b. Okay. Plus comes plus, minus comes minus. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. See this here also, you see, plus means plus, minus means minus. For sin, sin cos, cos sin. For sin, sin cos, cos sin. We will go for cos. Cos of a plus b. You see, cos of a plus b is equal to, see, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. See what change has come, you see. If cos comes means both cos will come, then both sin will come. Plus means minus will come. Okay. You see, minus means what will come? Plus will come. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Cos of a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That's all. Okay. This is also over. Then we will add now. Why? Because see, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to, you see what I am writing. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to, you see, we are adding both, then you see plus minus are going to get cancelled. We will get to 2 sin a cos b. Okay, right now 2 sin a cos b. Okay. Now, rather than addition subtraction, if you make, you see sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b is equal to subtraction. See, if you make subtraction, these sine a cos b both are same, these are going to get cancelled. See, cos a sine b minus of minus cos a sine b plus 2 cos a sine b. You see, normally a and b we presume positive angles. That is why a minus b will come. A minus b we are doing means always a will be greater like you think. That means whenever sin a cos b or cos a sin b comes, you see bigger means that you take as a. Why? Because see a minus b you have to take. See 7x and 3x are there. 7 will be a, 3 will be b. A minus b you have to do. Like that comes means you see here 2 will not come. In practical situation, sin a cos b like cos 3x sin 4x will come. Then sin 4x means sin a cos b like that you have to take. Why? Because 4x is bigger, a is sin a. Like this you have to take. That is equal to 1 by 2. This 2 will come this side. 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Like that you have to write this formula. Okay. Let us proceed for cos also. See what I am writing. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to. See, I am adding cos now. If you add cos, automatically, see, these two are plus and minus are going to get cancelled, but 2 cos a cos b will come. Okay, now stop and observe carefully. See, for adding sin and cos both will come, you see. For adding or subtracting sin and cos both will come. But that is not the case for cos. Cos if you add only cos will come. Cos if you subtract only sin will come. You see sin what is going to come under. Okay. Now you see cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to. You see we are subtracting means already minus is there. Minus of minus. Minus 2 sin a sin b. Because see, while subtracting both are same, these two are going to get cancelled. That is why. Okay. Now you stop and see, analyze. Cos of a plus b is equal. See, for cos only either sin or cos will come. If cos we are subtracting, then sin will come. Cos we are adding, cos will come both. Okay. And also for cos if you subtract, minus also will come. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now one more logic I want to draw here. You see, I will take a plus b as c. See, this is rough calculation like you take. See what I am doing. A plus b I am taking as c. A minus b I am taking as d. Is it okay? I am presuming. I am taking why? Because I want to change these angles. You see how I am changing. A plus b I am changing as c, a minus b I am changing as d. Okay, if I change like that, you see, if we add this, what will come? 2a, these are going to get cancelled, is equal to c plus d. That means a is equal to c plus d by 2. Okay, see here I can write c, here I can write c plus d by 2. Okay, okay. See, here we have added. But if you subtract b minus of minus b, 2b. But because a minus a going to get cancelled, that is equal to c minus d. That means b is equal to c minus d by 2. Okay. Now you see, a minus b you can write d, b is equal to c minus d by 2. A plus b you can write c, a is equal to c plus d by 2. That means c plus d by 2 is a, c minus d by 2 is b. Like that we can convert and another formula like we can derive. Derive means not we are changing or converting like. Okay. You see now what I am writing. Sin of a plus b means you see what I am writing. Sin a plus b I can write as c. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin a is what? C plus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. B means c minus d by 2. Okay. This like this also you can draw. What is happening here? If you observe carefully, you see here. Here sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Addition is there. That is different. But when it comes to second position here, see here you are adding, but it is going to become multiplication. Like this is very essential for doing integration. Integration, multiplication you have to convert into addition, and addition you can do easily. Integration, okay, like that we can do. Okay, now let us go for remaining. See, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2. Okay, see here logic is c means a plus b, we know. D means a minus b, we know. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a cos b. Okay? A means c plus d by 2, b means c minus d by 2. Okay? See this formula, by seeing this also you can write it. Okay, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay? Like that, by seeing itself we can write. Okay. Write down second one also. See here minus will come. Write down sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Is it okay? Okay? Okay. This is the case of sin. Then you go for cos also. Cos c plus cos d is equal to, see, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. See, for cos both cos will come, plus means. For minus, cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Understand now? Okay. See, these are also very easy, but you have to remember this. Why? Because we are going to convert in 7.3 exercise, trigonometric identities. Okay. Another two formulae are there. Sin 3a, cos 3a. In terms of cube will come. That also we will write, and we will go for exercise. Okay. Okay. See, sin 3a, cos 3a. Okay. I am writing. You see. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, that is one thing. And another one, cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. See, simply observe, you keep here. Here 3 is there, cos 3 or sin 3. But see, this side only a will come, 3a will not come. That is one thing first. Okay, sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, see, for single term 3 will come, for cubic term 4 will come. You see, 4 cos cube, single cos a 3. Okay, for sin first 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a will come. For cos first 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a will come. This is the logic. Okay, I think we have done. We will go for exercise 7.3. Okay, note down. See question number 1. Integral sin square of 2x plus 5 dx. Okay. See, simple logic here. First you have to substitute 2x plus 5 as t. Okay, then it is going to become sin square t. dt, something will come. You see what I am writing? See, let 2x plus 5 is equal to t I have taken. d by dx of 2x plus 5 is 2 only. 2 is equal to dt by dx will come. 2 dx is equal to dt will come. Then again I am going to convert this as dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay. Okay. Now see how I am converting this. Integral sin square 2x plus 5 dx is equal to integral sine square 2x plus 5 is going to become t sine square t, but dx is going to become 1 by 2 dt. That means 1 by 2 you keep outside and dt. Okay. See, sine square t, how to convert it? We know one formula. Sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. See here, minus means sine will come, plus means cos will come, cos square, sine square. Okay. 2a means a will come, a means a by 2 will come. That's all. Now you see a, t will come. Okay. You see that is equal to 1 by 2 integral sine square t. I am going to convert this 1 minus cos 2t by 2 dt. Okay, you see sine square t only I have converted, dt is already there. 1 by 2 dt is already there. Sine square t, sine square a 1 minus cos 2a by 2, 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Now you see here what I am doing this. 1 by 2 I am taking out, that means 1 by 4 it is going to become already 1 by 4 integral dt. Okay, minus again 1 by 4 will come. Why? Because see, this 2 is for cos also, and already 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 4 integral cos 2t dt. Okay, this formula I am removing. Why? Because see, this formula, that is why I have written earlier. Okay, if you know those, then you can do it easily. Okay, now you see 1 by 4 t or t by 4. Okay, minus 1 by 4. Now you see cos 2t means, see, d by ds sin x is cos x, integral cos x is sin x, that's all. That means sin 2t by 2 plus c, that is equal to, you see t is what? 2x plus 5. Write down 2x plus 5 by 4 minus, see, divided by 8 will come, sin 2 into 2x plus 5 by 8, 2 into 4, 8. Okay, over? No. Why? Because you see here, logic if you observe, 2x by 4, wait a minute, any wrong have you done? Okay, 2x by 4 means x by 2 will come, 5 by 4 you go mix in c. Okay, minus sin 4x plus 10 by 8 plus c. Okay, take this, we will go for next question. See, second question, integral sin 3x plus cos 4x dx is equal to how much, like they have given. Okay. Normally how can you do this? Simple logic. This formula you have to apply, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, or sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, which one? Why? Because see, 4x is bigger, 3x is smaller. That means cos a sin b is coming. Cos a sin b means you have to remember like this. You see, cos a sin b means you put here 2 cos a sin b, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b means sin a 2 sin a cos b will come, but sin a plus b minus sin a minus b means 2 cos a sin b will come. See here, cos a sin b only is there. This 2 you send this side, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, like that you have to think. See how we have taken a is 4x here, bigger one. Okay, write down, that is equal to integral 1 by 2. 1 by 2 I have taken out. Okay, then sin a plus b, 4 plus 3 7x minus minus sin a minus b, sin a minus b, 4 minus 3 x dx. Is it okay? Okay, 1 by 2 is there for both. Okay, now you proceed. 1 by 2. Okay, see, integral sin 7x, see d by dx cos x is minus sin x, but integral sin x is minus cos x, then you put minus cos 7x by 7. Okay, again you keep minus, but again for sin minus will come, minus of minus plus, sin x means cos x, divide it by 1, you write, don't write, both are same. Okay, plus c. Okay, now what we are going to do, you put plus 1 first. Okay, like this you done 1 by 2 cos x minus cos 7x by 14 plus c, that's all. Okay, take this, we will go for third question. Okay, see, integral cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x dx. Okay, how can you do this? Here only two are not there, cos a cos b, or 2 cos a cos b, like that we can take 1 by 2, we can shift to that side and do. But here another one is there. How can you do? Simple, you keep 2x like this only, but you first convert these two. Okay, now you see what I am writing. See, for cos, both cos will come for positive addition only. Okay, you see what I am writing here. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to both cos, but addition. When you do addition, then only 2 cos a cos b will come. Okay, and here only cos a cos b are there, like you think. These two you transfer this side. Okay, this is one logic. Second logic, a is bigger one. If you take 6x and 2x, 6x will be a. If you take 6x and 4x, 6x will be a and b will be 4x. If you take 4x and 2x, a will be 4x. That logic you have to apply here. Okay. See what I am writing here, that is equal to integral cos 2x, you keep like this only. Okay. See, 1 by 2 you have to take, that means 1 by 2 I have already taken outside. 1 by 2. Okay. Then cos of a plus b, cos a plus b. A plus b means what? See, 2x we are not taking, we are taking only these two. A, b, 10x plus cos a minus b, 6 minus 4, 2x dx. Okay. 1 by 2 will be like this only. Integral, you split now, cos 2x cos 10x dx. Okay, again cos 2x plus 1 by 2 again will come, 1 by 2 is there, cos 2x cos 2x. Shall I write cos square 2x? Cos 2x into cos 2x, cos square 2x. Cos square 2x we will convert afterwards. Okay. Okay. Now you see, again cos a cos b, but here a is 10x now, not 2. Okay. Write down 1 by 2 integral. See, cos a cos b, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means again. Okay, I will write 1 by 2 afterwards. First of all, let me complete this. Cos a plus b, 10 plus 2, 12x plus cos a minus b, 10 minus 2, 8x divided by 2. 1 by 2 is there. Okay, this 1 by 2 afterwards we will take 1 dx plus. Here you do logically. See, again you go for this one. Cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. See, cos is there means plus will come, 2a means a will come. If here 2x is there means 4x will come. 1 plus cos 4x by 2 dx. Okay. Now I am removing these two formula. Again we don't require this formula. Okay. Okay. Now let us do. See, 1 by 2 by 2, 1 by 4 will come. See, first cos 12x, d by dx sin x cos x, integral cos x is sin x, that's all. Sin 12x by 12. Okay, this 2 I have already sent. Plus 1 by 2 already is there. Okay. 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 already is there. Cos 8x means sin 8x by 8 plus 1 by 2. You see here 1 by 2 is okay? No, 1 by 4. See 1 dx means x plus, okay, 1 by 4 again, okay. Cos 4x means sin 4x by 4, that's all. Plus c. You write plus c last. Okay, now you segregate here. See 1 by 48 sin 12x plus 1 by 32 sin 8x plus 1 by 4 or x by 4, both are same, plus 1 by 16 sin 4x plus c. Okay? Okay. Take this, we will go for fourth question. Okay? Okay. Sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, this how to do and all. You observe carefully what I am doing. First I am taking 2x plus 1 as t. See what I am doing. I am taking 2x plus 1 as t. 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Okay, then d by dx of 2x plus 1 is 2. 2 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Is it okay? Why? Because here 2 will come. That 2 you have to send that side. Okay. Now again you rearrange this. You see what I am writing? Integral sin cube 2x plus 1 dx is equal to integral sin cube 2x plus 1 means t, but dx means 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 dt. Now you stop it. Now see sin cube t, how we are going to do? See, if it is differentiation, easily you can do sin 3 sin square t into again cos t, like that you can do differentiation. But this is integration. Integration you cannot do such that. That is not, integration is not flexible like differentiation. Okay. The formula we know. What is that formula? You see here I am writing. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now you see sin cube a is equal to 4 also is there, like you think this side 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. This 4 I have sent that. Okay. See, if you convert this like this, is sin form only will come. Then easily you can do integration. Okay. That is the logic I wanted to apply. Okay. Right now 1 by 2 integral. See 4 is there. 4 also we will take. Afterwards we will take. No problem. 3 sin a. That means 3 sin t minus sin 3t divided by 4 tt. Is it okay? First you see. Okay. Now, okay. See, 3 by 8 I have taken. 3 by 8. 2 into 4, 8. 3. Integral sin t minus cos t. That means minus cos t. Okay. Again minus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 sin 3t minus cos t. Minus means plus, you make cos 3t, but again by t will come plus c. Okay. See what I am writing. This plus I am taking first. 1 by 24 cos 3t means what? 6x plus 3. t is 2x plus 1. 3t means 3 into 2x plus 1. 6x plus 3. Okay. Minus 3 by 8 cos t 2x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Is it okay? Let us go for fifth question. Okay. Let us see fifth question. Integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. Okay. How to do this? don't take this sin 3a cos 3a formula, but see one logic I am telling, you follow that. Okay, you see what I am taking, cos x I am taking as t, cos x is equal to t I am taking. If I take cos x as t, then automatically d by dx of cos x minus sin x, minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or else we can write sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay? This you keep in your mind first. Okay, and now how I am converting, you see here, integral sin cube x sin square x sin x sin cube x I am converting like this, cos cube x. Cos cube x means t cube. Okay, let me write cos cube x. Cos cube x dx. Okay. See, first of all, is it okay? Sin cube x, cos cube x dx. It is okay. Okay. Now you see how I am converting this. Okay, that is equal to. You see, cos x is equal to t means cos cube x is equal to t cube will come. Okay. Integral first this as I am writing as t cube. Okay. This. T cube. Sin square x means 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus t square. Sin square x is also over. Now sin x dx is there. Sin x dx is minus dt. Then you keep minus outside and dt. Is it okay? Like this you do. This is easy. Rather than going that sin 3a cos 3a formula and making it bigger. Okay, this is simpler. Okay, now you see, minus is there, minus t cube plus t to the power of 5. Then I will take first t to the power of 5 only. T cube, t square, t to the power of 4. But minus and minus plus, minus t cube into 1, t cube dt. That's all. Okay. Now you perform t to the power of 6 by 6 minus t to the power of 4 by 4 plus c. Okay. Now you substitute what is t and all. 1 by 6, t means cos to the power of 6x minus 1 by 4, t means cos to the power of 4x plus c. Okay. Like this we can close this question. Okay. To do one thing, we will stop this class. We will meet in the next class. I think another 2 classes minimum required to complete this exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.